Hi there. Today we will try to know how powerful is our computer with a simple tool in Windows PC called PowerShell. So simply come to start on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Type power and the PowerShell will appear. Head to there. Just simply type the command you see here. This will be on the description too. Press enter. It would take few seconds to calculate and to show you some numbers. And finally, the numbers are there with my PC power. At the bottom, you can see the score is 9.3, which means my PC is much stronger with very high performance. Now, your PC may not show this number, but according to the scores, the performance may go up or down. The scores titles are in the screen. You will also find them in the description as well. So this is how you can simply know your PC power, and also this will be useful before you buy a used PC. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.